Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about what a compound event is in probability. So we've talked about simple events before in the past, and a simple event is just rolling a number cube, flipping a coin, picking a marble. But now a compound event is when you run more than one simple event. So you could be rolling a few number cubes, picking a few marbles. You could be spinning a spinner and rolling a number cube. This is not going to be my only video on this topic. There is a lot to cover when it comes to compound events, so make sure you are checking the playlist on probability for more videos that cover this topic. So I do have a helpful hint here. Words like and or help you understand how to solve the probabilities. So when you hear the word and, so if you want to pick a sandwich and a bag of chips, you want both options. So in order to get both, you need to be multiplying your probabilities. If you want a sandwich or a bag of chips, you'll be happy with either option. So you're going to add your probabilities. So here I only have one example. Like I said, there's going to be many videos on this because there is a lot to talk about. So our example is we are going to be rolling a number cube with 6 sides and numbers 1 through 6, like usual, and you're going to be rolling it 2 times. So the first example right here, we want to find the probability of rolling a 2 and an odd number. Well, if I remember, I have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on my number cube. Just writing that down sometimes helps visualize what you are trying to understand. There's only 1, 2 there, so 1 out of 6 because my sample space is 6. And so I want both things to happen and an odd number. Well, odd numbers in this case are 1, 3, and 5. So that's 3 out of the 6 numbers. So now we're going to multiply our probabilities. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 6 is 36, and I can reduce this fraction to 1 over 12. So that means if I roll this dice or these 2 number cubes, whatever it is, and I roll it 12 times, one time I will get a 2 and an odd number. Let's look at the second one. You want to find the probability of rolling a 4 or a 6. So there is a 1 4 and there is 1 6. Add your probabilities together to get 2 6, and you can simplify. So your answer is 1/3. So that means for every 3 times you roll the number cube twice, you will either get a 4 or a 6 one time. So your ORs are definitely going to have a little bit of a higher probability because you don't really care which thing happens as long as one of your options does. And let's look at the last one here. Rolling an even number or a 1. So even numbers are 2, 4, and 6 in this case. So there are 3 out of 6 options. So 3 over 6, or means add, or a 1, and there's 1 out of 6. So I wouldn't simplify the 3 over 6 yet because it would make it a little bit counterproductive since you're just going to have to convert it back into a denominator of 6 to add. So my denominator will stay the same. 3 plus 1 is 4, and I can reduce that to 2/3. So what this is saying, if I roll the die twice, 3 times, 2 of those times I will get either an even number or a 1. Those chances sound pretty good. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you check back for many more videos on compound events. I will be posting a few more. Thanks for watching.